Hold it. Push it and hold it.
Okay.
Pull it back like this while you're holding the button.
Okay.
Ready?
Yeah.
And then throw it. Go!
Whoa!
Look at that!
Far!
That is fabulous.
I made it one.
I think he's got to go to the bathroom.
Connor, what'd you do, buddy?
I found it.
You throwed it.
What are you doing? Are you fishing?
Are you reeling that baby in? Okay, let's do it again.
I'm gonna do it by myself.
Okay.
All right. All right, here we go. We got our finger around the hook. Got our thumb on the button.
Hold the button down.
Push the button in. Hold it tight. Pull it back like this. Pull your rod back.
Yes.
Ready? And then we're going to go, boom. Go. Good job.
Oh, that's a fix. I'm gonna go to the bathroom.
Okay.